Hey there, this is B-Ray549, and recently I bought a box full of old rusty sockets, and I'm going to try to restore and bring them back to life, the best I can anyway. So let's get going on it. So I'm going to take this Challenger socket, it's a 2-inch, and you can see how weathered it is, how rusty. Look at the inside of that. Rust just been caked on there. I shouldn't say caked on because it's really not that deep. It's just kind of a surface rust. So I'm going to see what I can do to this socket to make it look like new. So first thing I'm going to do is soak in some rust getter called Evapo-Rust. Got a little of this old stuff left from a previous one. Not quite enough. It's a little bit more. There we go. And I'm going to let that set for a while. Okay. I think I'm going to tuck this back over in the corner here. There we go. Alright. Okay, so I've let this socket soak in the Evapo-Rust for 24 hours, and now I'm ready to take it out and see what it looks like. And wipe it off. And there it is. You can see it doesn't do anything for the pitting because that's destroyed. There it is. It does a tremendously good job. Look at the inside. This socket is in really fine condition. Not only does it take the rust out, all the grime and dirt that's been caked up for years has now disappeared. I think what I'll do now is take it to the wire brush and see if I can't shine it up a bit. Okay, there it is. 100% improvement. It's good as new. I never worked with anything this large, but this tool has been refurbished. So here's a before and after shot. Quite an improvement, actually. I'd say that's a win. Here's another one that I'll probably be doing here pretty soon. This is the condition that these sockets are in. They're just rusting away. Probably some farmer had it, and with the Oregon weather, it probably just rusted away. So I'm going to do this to all of them. Okay, so here's day 2 of the socket restoration. Let's take a look here. Absolutely no rust on that. Kind of blackened on the corners there, but that'll come off with the wire brush. This is a 15/16 made by Thorson. This is the Powercraft, and that's a 1 1/16 3/4 inch drive, and a lot of that plating is coming off of there. Still a good socket though. And this is a Craftsman 1 1/16. That is in really good condition. Taking all that rust off. And this is a Challenger 7/8 half-inch drive. A few black spots where the chrome has come off. Dirt's still in there. Take that to the wire brush. I think that's it. Okay, so need to clean these off with water. Now what I like to do is spray these down with WD-40. Give them a good soaking. And then, okay, time for the next batch. We'll go with, let's go with this bad dog. Look at that thing. I'm not sure. This is a Proto. See how bad that is? Hopefully this comes out good. Not sure if the chrome plating is still on there. It's a perfectly good socket, it just looks ugly. So let's see if we can't make that look a little bit better. I think I'll just put this one in. This is a Craftsman as well. And it's a half-inch drive, 1 1/16. I'm going to put that in there with the other one. This is a monster one here. Look how black that comes out. There's junk in there. I'm not done with it. Put the wire brush to it. This is non-toxic. It's safe to dunk your hand in it. Here's the next one. This is made by PNC. It's a 1 5/16, and it's got plenty of rust and pits on there. And this one here, this one needs some work because it just pivots really slow. But it's made by Proto, and it is very rusty. Okay, so this knuckle joint, or whatever you call them, has been soaking for a couple days. Look how black that is. Wow, it already moves good. Because there we go. That says PNC 1 5/16. Works like new. This was frozen in one place. when I first got it. Let's see how that ball bearing fits. Oh, perfect. Yeah. Okay, that's a good one. And this is made by Proto. Well, let's take a look here. It's in pretty good condition. It's really difficult to destroy one of these. Rust will get to it though, and that's what happened in this case. But it's hard to render this thing totally useless. But as you can tell, the rust did take a toll on the finish there. It's got some pitting, but functionally it's been restored. See that little star right there? That indicates where this little BB goes. This little button there from the socket wrench. So you'd match that button up in the socket wrench to this side so it locks into place. And same thing goes for on the sockets. The socket will have a little, yep, there's the little, they put a little divot there which matches, if you can see on the inside, there's a little divot on the inside where it matches up with that ball bearing. Anyway, okay, so that's it. Restored. There we go. Well, that was a fun project to do. It's quick, easy, and I brought something back to life again. This has been one of my more enjoyable tool restorations. Taking something that's totally rusty, totally wasted, something that somebody else was basically throwing away, and turning it into a good usable product. Every one of these tools is usable and they're in decent condition. One thing I learn over and over again is if you take care of your tools, they'll last for a good long time. Now these ones weren't taken care of, but they're going to last for a good long time because I've restored them to the condition that they should be in. So again, thanks. Appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and click subscribe if you want to see more videos similar to this. And as always, have a great day.